What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove and how to work with empty spaces into Elementor. So how to play with spacings on Elementor. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. As you can see right here, we have a problem that there is empty space on this image and the top of the image is cut, okay? So how to fix it? First thing, you need to log in on your WordPress dashboard. To do this, on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin or wp-login, enter with your login credentials, and you're going to be able to see WordPress dashboard. Then go back to your page and you're going to be able to see this top toolbar of menus with options to customize, to add new, to edit page. You're going to click on edit with Elementor, okay? The things that are gonna appear on this menu may change according to the theme they are using, but you always gonna have the option to edit with Elementor as long as you are using Elementor plugin, okay? Wait while the Elementor loads and let's fix things one by one. First thing, there is an image right here. As far as I can understand, the image is on the background of the column, so no worries. Here is the image, it's on the background of the column, and over the image there is an space. I can increase the space to make the hair of the woman not be cutted, just like this. Now there is this empty space on the bottom. How to fix it? You're gonna find the section. Section is this full place right here where we have the columns. Click with the right button of your mouse, edit section. Go to Advanced Add into the left sidebar of menus, and right here we have paddings. Can you see? We have 100 top and 100 in the bottom. If I set 0, there is no more padding and no more empty space. Now, as I can see, there is some things that you can play with. First, let me reduce this on the top to 50, just like this. Now I think I can increase the one below the text, just like this. And here is the final result we got. Let me save changes. Let's preview the page. Here is the final result. Simple, right? Now let's focus into this other image right here. As you can see, we can fully align the content right here to be into the middle position. How to do this? You can go back, select the section, go to layout into the left sidebar of menus, and we have the option right here for vertical alignment. You can align the text to the top or to the middle. And the content position is the same way, aligned to the top or to the middle. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!